Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can do collaborations in your Instagram story with iPhone. You just need to open your Instagram application right away, log or sign in with your account. The next thing you need to do is just go stay in the home section. You can also do with the plus button here because this is the place that you can use to create any content. But then here just go into the home section because it's much more easier. Go click this plus button to access your photo library, and then you just need to pick which photo that you want to do the collaborate with. Let's say here you want to collaborate with this Instagram feed, this content for your Instagram story. Now to do the collaboration, just tap into this alphabet icon that have been mentioned there. So you just need to go click it. You can click that, or you can also just right away click add here, and then you just need to add the user ID of your friends that you want us to collaborate with, and then you just need to place that into the area that you want to place this ID could be shown up. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click add to your story. Or if you want to do the collaborate from the content that you already posted before on your Instagram story, you just need to open it. And if you want to tag someone, you just need to go click this three small dot and go click add mention and add the ID of your friends that you want to ask for collaborate with. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, guys, and let's move again into other tutorial.